Are you planning a trip to Finland and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Finland in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Finland is Mobile. It's great if you want cheap and flexible plans. For Finland, the prices are pretty good. You can get 3 gigabytes for $7.19 and use it for 10 days. There's also 5 gig for $8.99 or 10 gig for $14.39, all with that same 10-day limit. For heavy data users, there's a 20 gig option for $20.69 or a 40 gig option for $31.49. And if you don't want to worry about running out of data, Maya offers unlimited data for $25.19 on the 10-day plan. Everything runs on 5G and gets activated instantly, so it's super easy to set up. The website is simple to use. Just pick Finland, pay, and you're good to go. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount at checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Finland into the destination search bar. You'll see all the plans we just talked about. Pick the one that fits your needs. At checkout, the 10% discount is already applied, so you don't need a promo code. Once you complete the payment, a QR code pops up instantly. Open your phone settings, scan the code, and your eSIM profile installs in seconds. Toggle it on, and you're surfing Finnish 5G almost immediately. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If longer validity matters most, Airalo's plans offer decent value. For Finland, the options start with 1 gigabyte at $4.50 valid for 7 days. There's also 2 gig for $6.50 valid for 15 days and 3 gig for $8 valid for 30 days. For heavier data needs, you could choose 5 gig for $12, 10 gig for $18 or 20 gig for $26, all with that full 30-day window. If you need unlimited browsing, there's even a 10-day unlimited plan for $35. And the app is super easy to use. You just buy a plan, scan the QR code, and you're good to go. If you run out of data, you can even top up directly in the app. Use the link in the description to get a 10% discount automatically. So, which one should you choose, Airalo or Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for short stays or high-speed usage, Mobile takes the top spot. The pricing per gigabyte is lower, the speeds are great, and setup is effortless. But if you're staying longer and prefer a month-long validity with modest data needs, Airalo remains a solid alternative with the convenience of easy top-ups through its app. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the plan that matches your trip, follow the quick setup steps, and you'll be connected in Finland in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.